Buying a used luxury sedan can feel like walking into a trap. On one hand, you have incredible cars that originally cost $50,000, $60,000, or even more. On the other hand, you constantly hear stories about expensive repairs, unreliable engines, and maintenance costs that can quickly get out of control. And when it comes to BMW, that reputation can scare a lot of buyers away from what could actually be a very smart purchase. But the truth is, not every BMW sedan comes with crazy maintenance costs. Some models have proven to be far more balanced when it comes to reliability, ownership costs, and long-term durability, especially when you choose the right generation and the right engine. The problem is that many buyers simply don't know which BMW sedans are actually safer bets on the used market. In this video, we're going to look at 5 used BMW sedans that still deliver the luxury, comfort, and driving experience the brand is known for, but without the kind of maintenance costs that scare most buyers away. These are models with stronger engine reputations, more predictable ownership costs, and the kind of value that makes them surprisingly smart used luxury cars. Let's get into it. Starting this list with a modern option that has quickly earned a reputation as one of the most balanced BMW sedans you can buy used today. The G20 generation BMW 330i, introduced for the 2019 model year. This generation represents a major step forward compared to earlier 3 Series models in terms of interior quality, technology, and overall refinement. From the outside, the G20 still looks like a brand new luxury sports sedan on the road, and inside you get a much more modern cabin with digital displays, improved materials, and a noticeably more upscale feel than previous generations. Under the hood, the 330i is powered by BMW's B48 turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, which has become one of the most important engines in BMW's modern lineup. The B48 has proven to be a strong performer in terms of both efficiency and durability, delivering around 255 horsepower while maintaining very respectable fuel economy for a luxury sports sedan. Compared to many older BMW turbo engines, the B48 has also developed a reputation for being relatively robust when properly maintained, with fewer widespread design issues than some earlier power plants. In terms of ownership, the G20 330i tends to avoid many of the high-cost maintenance concerns associated with larger BMW engines or more complex performance models. Routine maintenance items like spark plugs, ignition coils, brake components, and fluid services are still part of the ownership experience, but these are predictable costs rather than major reliability red flags. Cooling system components and electronic systems should still be monitored as the car ages, but overall the platform has shown itself to be fairly solid so far. What makes the 330i especially appealing for buyers is the balance it offers. You get modern BMW styling, a high-quality interior, strong performance, and one of the more dependable engines in BMW's current lineup. For someone looking for a used luxury sedan that still feels modern but doesn't carry the reputation of extreme maintenance costs, the G20 330i is a very strong place to start. Next on the list is a sedan that delivers a noticeably more upscale experience while still maintaining a strong reputation for reliability. The BMW 5040i from the G30 generation, produced from 2017 to 2023. The G30 5 Series sits comfortably in the executive luxury sedan category, offering a more refined ride, a quieter cabin, and significantly more interior space than the 3 Series. Even several years after its release, the design still looks modern and understated, giving the car the presence of a high-end luxury vehicle without being overly flashy. One of the biggest reasons the 5040i stands out is the engine. It's powered by BMW's B58 turbocharged inline-6, which has quickly become one of the most respected modern engines in BMW's lineup. The B58 is known for its smooth power delivery, strong performance, and impressive engineering durability compared to many earlier BMW turbocharged engines. With around 335 horsepower, the 5040i delivers effortless acceleration while still remaining relatively efficient for a six-cylinder luxury sedan. From an ownership perspective, the B58 engine has shown a strong track record so far, especially when paired with the ZF 8-speed automatic transmission, which is widely regarded as one of the most reliable automatic gearboxes in the industry. Routine maintenance will still include items like spark plugs, ignition coils, brake components, and fluid services, but the platform has avoided many of the major reliability concerns that affected some previous BMW engines. Cooling system components and plastic hoses should still be monitored over time, but these are fairly typical maintenance considerations for modern German vehicles. What makes the G30 5040i such a compelling used luxury sedan is the balance between performance, comfort, and long-term ownership potential. You get the smoothness and prestige of a six-cylinder executive sedan, a modern and high-quality interior, and an engine that has already proven to be one of BMW's better modern designs. For buyers who want a BMW sedan that feels genuinely luxurious without stepping into high-risk maintenance territory, the 5040i is an excellent option. Another strong option in the used BMW sedan market is the BMW 5030i from the G30 generation, produced from 2017 to 2023. While the 5040i gets a lot of attention because of its inline-six engine, the 5030i is often the more practical and financially sensible choice for many buyers. It still delivers the same executive sedan design, spacious interior, and premium driving experience as the rest of the 5 Series lineup, but with a simpler and more efficient powertrain that tends to keep ownership costs more manageable. The 530i is powered by BMW's B48 turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, the same modern engine family used in several of BMW's newer models. In the 5 Series, the B48 produces around 248 horsepower, which is more than enough for daily driving and highway performance in a mid-size luxury sedan. The engine provides smooth acceleration, good fuel efficiency, and a balanced driving character that fits the role of a comfortable executive sedan very well. From a reliability standpoint, the B48 has developed a solid reputation among modern BMW engines. While it's still important to keep up with regular maintenance, such as oil services, spark plugs, ignition components, and cooling system checks, it has avoided many of the widespread reliability issues associated with some earlier BMW turbocharged engines. When paired with the proven ZF 8-speed automatic transmission, the drivetrain combination tends to be quite dependable when properly maintained. What makes the 530i such a smart used luxury sedan is the overall ownership balance. You still get the refinement, technology, and comfort of a modern 5 Series, but with a simpler engine that tends to deliver lower fuel costs and more predictable long-term maintenance compared to higher performance models. For buyers who want a luxury BMW sedan that feels upscale without the complexity of larger engines, the G30 530i is one of the most sensible options available. The final sedan on this list is a model that many people overlook when shopping for a used BMW, but it can actually be one of the most interesting luxury bargains on the market. The BMW 740i from the G11 generation, produced from 2016 to 2022. When this car was new, it represented the flagship of BMW's sedan lineup, often selling for well over $85,000 with options. Even today, the design still looks properly high-end, with a long wheelbase, elegant proportions, and the kind of road presence you would expect from a full-size luxury sedan. Under the hood, the 740i uses BMW's B58 turbocharged inline-six engine, the same engine family found in models like the 5040i and several other modern BMWs. The B58 has earned a strong reputation for combining smooth performance with solid engineering durability. In the 740i, it produces around 320 horsepower, which is more than enough to move the large luxury sedan with effortless acceleration while still maintaining reasonable efficiency for its size. The engine is also paired with the ZF 8-speed automatic transmission, a combination that has proven to be both refined and dependable when properly maintained. Ownership expectations with a flagship sedan are naturally a bit higher than with smaller BMWs, especially when it comes to luxury features and electronic systems. However, the 740i avoids the complexity and long-term risk of BMW's V8 models, which can dramatically increase maintenance costs over time. Routine servicing, brake components, suspension wear items, and cooling system maintenance are the typical considerations, but the core drivetrain itself has shown to be relatively solid. What makes the G11 740i such an interesting used luxury sedan is the value proposition. Thanks to depreciation, these cars can now sell for a fraction of their original price, yet they still deliver the comfort, technology, and prestige of a true flagship BMW. For buyers who want maximum luxury from a BMW sedan, while still sticking with one of the brand's more respected modern engines, the 740i can be a surprisingly smart choice on the used market. Another very solid option in the used BMW sedan market is the BMW 328i from the F30 generation, produced from 2012 to 2016. While the 3 Series has always been known as BMW's entry-level luxury sedan, the F30 generation brought a more refined and comfortable approach compared to earlier models. The design still looks modern enough on the road, and inside you get a clean, driver-focused cabin with BMW's iDrive system, good build quality, and the kind of driving position that has always made the 3 Series popular. The 328i is powered by the N20 turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, which delivers around 240 horsepower and provides strong performance for a compact luxury sedan. It offers quick acceleration, solid fuel efficiency, and the balanced driving dynamics that made the 3 Series famous. When paired with BMW's ZF 8-speed automatic transmission, the drivetrain delivers smooth shifting and a responsive driving experience that still feels engaging even years after these cars were introduced. Like any used BMW, there are some known ownership considerations. Earlier versions of the N20 engine had timing chain guide concerns, which is why maintenance history is extremely important when shopping for one of these cars. Many examples on the market today have already had updated components installed or have received proper preventative maintenance. Aside from that, common items such as oil filter housing gaskets, cooling system components, and ignition coils are typical wear items owners should expect over time. What makes the 328i appealing is the overall balance it offers. You get the classic BMW sports sedan driving experience, a relatively simple 4-cylinder turbo engine, and a car that remains widely available and affordable on the used market. For buyers looking for a luxury sedan that still feels sporty but doesn't require stepping into more complex or high-performance BMW models, the F30 328i can still be a very reasonable entry point into the brand. Before buying any used BMW sedan, the most important thing to understand is that maintenance costs are heavily influenced by which engine and generation you choose. Some models were built with more complex engines or known reliability issues, while others have proven to be far more balanced in terms of performance, durability, and long-term ownership costs. That's why doing a bit of research before buying makes such a big difference. When you focus on BMW sedans with stronger engine reputations, proven transmissions, and good maintenance history, you can enjoy the comfort, driving dynamics, and premium feel the brand is known for without constantly worrying about unexpected repair bills. In the end, a used BMW sedan doesn't have to mean crazy maintenance costs. If you choose the right model and take care of it properly, you can end up with a luxury car that still feels special to drive while remaining surprisingly reasonable to own.